Hi guys, welcome back to our fourth This Guppy plus This Guppy equals This Guppy video. This one's a little tricky to explain, so we took a female from an old cross we did before we decided to start documenting our crosses on YouTube. And she was a Staeck Endler cross yellow Cobra Guppy. Picture of the actual mother is here at the top of the left of the screen. And you can clearly see that she has a cobra type pattern on the tail. We crossed her with a white Moscow male. Picture of the actual dad is on the top right of the screen. This is not necessarily what I would have expected from the cross of the two. I was hoping for some more black patches from the Staeck Endler, and just in general, just a nicer looking guppy. These kind of look like a shocking pink Endler. On camera they appear more orange than they do in real life, and although the pink is showing, it's just a lot more vibrant off of camera. So that's it for this cross. I'll just quickly talk you through the other crosses we have going on right now. Firstly, we've just separated these guys out. This is a white Moscow male guppy and 3 female blue star endlers. So that'll be a few months from now that we can make a video and show you how that cross turned out. Secondly, we have a male Gingaruba guppy and a female German yellow guppy. She's looking like she's going to drop her first batch any day now. And thirdly, we have another white Moscow male who's been housed with a female metal black lace guppy. Babies are around 6 weeks old now, and they're just starting to develop some pigmentation on their tails, so I would guess we're probably looking at another month to 6 weeks before we can show you how this cross turns out. And that's it for our fourth This Guppy plus This Guppy equals This Guppy video. Hope you enjoyed that, or it was somewhat interesting at least, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching as always.